Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Just get 1 cup of Greek yogurt or just natural yogurt and 1 cup of self-raising flour, just 2 ingredients. I'm using that yogurt, so put that in a mixing bowl and then you add 1 cup self-raising flour. Now all you need to do is mix it together. I just usually just use my hands. Put that down and just knead it. And just keep kneading it. Probably take about 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Just add flour as you knead it. There you go. Dough, easy. Now, just try and roll it into the shape of a pizza base. I'll just get some butter that's sort of room temperature. Just give it a little mush. About 50 grams should do. Then crush up or mince 3 or 4 cloves of garlic. Chuck that in there, and want to get this mixed through it. Now that's all you need if you just want to have a basic garlic sauce, but you can add a few extra things to it just to give it a little bit more flavour. Just a pinch of ground oregano or oregano, depending on your pronunciation. A little bit of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. You can use sea salt or table salt. Just a little bit of pepper. Just mix all that through. Now get your pizza dough. And this one is, of course, homemade. 2 ingredients. Now just grate some cheese. Sprinkle that over the top. Really just depends on how much cheese you want. If you want heaps like I do, put on heaps. So this beautiful cheesy garlic pizza, or garlic cheese pizza, or now just pop this in the oven at about 180 to 200 degrees Celsius, which is about 360 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Probably take about 12 to 15 minutes and you will be eating something very yummy.
Simple cooking, simple cooking.